Fedi maka azụta. Onye njọ ọchọ ife njọ ka ọ ga-afolo. Anọkwa n'ụzọ na-eje Enugwe. Onye na-achọta ego, ọkwa Enugwe ka ọ ga-eje. Your request has been granted. Your wish. You have sacrificed your manhood. Igara will make you rich. And you have in turn promised that you come back and you will generously enrich Igara, including the mountain. That is thoughtful of you. Okay, Rugo! Onye na-achọ ife dị mma, kwa ife dị mma ka ọ ga-afụ. Otu anyị na-ekwu, onye buru isi njọ ka ọ ga-eburu baa n'ime ọkụ mmụọ. But onye sita from ọkụ mmụọ pụta chọọ ibe n'igwe, agozie ya ụzọ siri ebe.
Sula, come. Take out my money. Take out my money.
Shut. Let's go.
No, let's go anywhere.
Let's go.
Wait, Mama, it's me. Mama, it's me. Mama, it's me. It's me, oh, it's me. It's me. Please go to your room and freshen up, okay? Please, it's me. It's me. It's me. Huh?
Okay.
Thank you.
Nothing goes for nothing. Something goes for something.
Oh, you know that.
Please.
The devil cannot give you without taking from you. Vanity is vanity. That is what you need to know. You don't have to go to the devil just for fame. Life is full of
Rodide, what is the problem?
Brother, what is it?
I'm fine.
Brother, you're not fine. Stop telling us that you're fine. You are not. What is the problem?
It wasn't my intention to shoot him. It wasn't my intention. Hello, sir. Good day, Commissioner. I'm not fine, sir. I just shot my security man. Yes, sir, it wasn't my intention to shoot him. I don't know what came over me, sir. I think I'm fine now, sir. Alright, thank you, sir.
But I'm scared.
You don't need to be scared. Don't worry, everything will be fine.
How can you even tell me that? Look at Papi lying down there. And you say everything is going to be fine. I went to Brody Day to ask him what happened and why it happened. And I found out that he locked himself in his room.
He locked himself inside?
Yes. I'm not even sure he has not killed himself there.
Rodide?
Brother?
Rodide?
Has he killed himself?
Rodide? Leo is here now, please. Open the door. Rodide?
Yeah, so I'm not responding. I should. Let's bring this door now. Let's Brother, you're scaring us. Please tell us what the problem is with you.
Ide Jimba. Wodogun Woke. I know you as a strong man. The attribute of a great man is the ability to conquer difficulties. What is it? Gadevo. What has eaten you up like this?
Leo. Sharon. I'm fine. Something came over me, but I'm fine now.
Brother, you are not fine. Can you talk to us? We are your blood. What is the problem?
Why are you... You're dying slowly and it's so obvious. Why are you lying to us that you're fine when you're not?
I love you guys. And we love you too, brother.
Please tell us what the problem is.
I think it's the police.
Police?
Yes.
Are you sure they will not detain him?
I am not sure.
I've been thinking.
And what could that be?
What if it was his business that collapsed?
Honestly, I've thought about that. On a second thought, if his business collapsed, is it difficult for him to say it?
You're right.
I'm thinking of something.
What is that?
I'm confused. I don't even know what I'm thinking.
Yeah, I'm scared though.
I'm scared too. But what comes to a man is equal to a man.
Maybe you should call that his friend Chooks and verify something from him. He might know about what is going on.
No. Let's wait till he comes back.
What of Papi's parents?
I don't know. Sharon, I'm confused. I'm not thinking straight right now. I'm confused. So, my beautiful wife is calling me.
Don't call that girl your wife. And don't tell her what's going on here.
Hi, babe. What's up? How are you? I'm fine. Oh yeah, he has been discharged. It's just a minor case. Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, I will do just that, okay? Alright, see you. Bye, love you. Why did you say I should not tell her what is happening?
How would you tell a stranger what is happening in our family?
Sharon, that girl is not a stranger.
She is, because you're not going to marry her. I do not like her.
He's getting better. It was stress, according to the doctor.
Stress? What kind of stress could make a man drive his car to his compound and fainted on the wheel? Is it not suspicious?
How do you mean?
He might be thinking of something. Business or anything.
You think so?
Yes. To be honest with you, that man might be going through a lot. And he don't want to bother you people about his sickness or any of his problem. You people should check his blood pressure very well. Big man, big problem. Should I serve you food?
No, I'm fine. I'm good.
Okay. Did you eat in his house?
Yeah. Sharon made something for me before I left.
Okay. Brother, why are you not eating?
I've lost my appetite.
Brother, I want to talk to you.
Go ahead.
Ever since our parents died, you've become our father, our mother, and everything to us. You showed us a lot of care. Even if I die today, my spirit is forever going to be happy with you. You call me Mama because you say that I'm a replica of our mother. You treat me the same way you treated her before she died. And even after her death, you made me feel no pain. You treated me like a brother would treat his sister. So please, confide in that your sister that you truly love. And tell me, what is eating you up? Tell me, please.
Good. Mama.
Hmm?
I love you.
What is the problem? Are you expecting anyone?
Oh, maybe it's the new gate man. Open the gate.
There's something I want to ask you.
What is it?
Is it possible that someone is responsible for what my brother is going through?
Very possible. Someone can go extra mile to hurt you or to do anything bad to you.
My uncle is responsible for this.
How do you know?
He said it to my face.
You see your parents' graves. Just watch them. Look at them very, very well. What happened to them will surely happen to all of you. You will die one after the other.
It's a lie, Uncle.
Eh?
Uncle, it's a very big lie.
You are talking to
You
me.
cannot kill us the way you killed our parents. It's not possible. It's not possible. You think we don't know? No, you think we don't know? You killed them. You killed your own blood brother. Wicked man. What kind of woman being are you? Your own blood brother. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Don't worry.
Oji mwata wenya kenu. Akafubu you for what way. Mbosenta. Mbosenta. I actually know what enchi. It's a big promise.
Now let me tell you. So somewhere isi chalomano ne jogo abreba. So ya. Therefore prepare yourself. Obele nwanari amuyiri enu ekwege sikwa ike. Ma cheka ngunu. Ifu unu cha. Inge emu ne ife. Mmiri amaju unu bu awu onu.
You cannot do anything.
Nkeke nko ebe anofia na akpu ide jigine ma amara ifo oji. You hear me? Nanya. Onye akala obi ga-emenwe ife na-ekwu because what I see you don't have the heart. If you like kill your father, why not kill me?
You cannot do anything.
Kill me!
And I'm coming for you.
And listen, let me tell you, I have
for
told you, I'm going to deal with all of you.
you. Cannot do
Because the rain that is going to fall will cover all their mouths. You won't have a say again.
Listen, you cannot do anything.
That your so-called Ideji, what I don't know. He is going to remain single all his life. I mean forever.
Back to sender. You
Back to
cannot do
sender.
anything. Back to sender.
You will see what
You
will
cannot do anything.
Then
You
the
cannot
door will close.
Get out from this place. Get out.
You're barking like a mad dog, my friend. Get and go and
Leave
sit
my house.
down.
Leave my house.
Do you have house? If my
Leave my house.
I contributed to the building of the house.
I saw.
Yeah, was your father able to build house?
Oh. And if I see you here again, Buwagisi, wicked man, useless man, you killed your own blood brother. Yes. Wicked man, useless man, you killed your own brother. Nonsense.
He said it to my face that I would die one after the other.
You mean your uncle said this to your face and you fold your arms watching? Were you afraid of him then?
I was. The man is very diabolic. He has killed so many in our community, including my parents. No one is saying anything about it.
Oh my God. Honey, such person is not supposed to live in a community where you and your brother are. I mean, who does he think he is? What kind of stuff is he made of? Now that you guys know where your problems are coming from, are you still going to fold your arms? Watch that evil man destroy you all. Are you going to fold it? Can't you do something?
Never. I will never allow that to happen. If my brother doesn't want to attack him, then I will do that myself.
Better. Even the Bible says, the kingdom of God suffereth violence, and only the violent take it by force. You need to do something. You're a man. Although okay.
You wanted to tell me something before the new gate man interrupted.
I have a problem in my business.
What problem?
I imported some goods. Unfortunately, the ship sank. All the goods were lost. I actually borrowed money from the bank to do that business. I'll be fine.
How much is that?
Don't worry about it. I'll fix it.
You fix it when it's obviously eating you up now?
In life, things will happen to you. And those things will shake you. But you'll be fine. Alright? I'll be fine. I'll fix it.
The Lord will be your strength, brother.
you go back?
A few days ago. How's the burial go?
It went well. See me now, I'm now an orphan.
Welcome to the orphanage club.
Forget. I no see Papi. I saw one guy like that. Where is Papi? I don't understand why your face like this now. Papi now, you know they get. Now one guy like that.
Papi is dead.
Hey, what's happen? Why?
Accident.
Hey!
It was an accident.
Hey, why now? Papi, you no supposed die now. See me now, just they come back from burial. This one too.
May his soul rest in peace.
People not supposed to die like that now. Eh? Papi.
I'm sorry. Just go inside and rest, huh?
Papi. Papi, rest in peace. Papi.
No, Mina. Please don't cry so loud, please.
Brother, there is something I think it is wise to remind you.
Okay, what's that?
Uncle Matanya said that we will never make it in life. That will never be useful. Even if we make it, we're going to die slowly, one after the other.
Yes, I remember. He even said I'll remain single till I die. I remember.
Yes. But I let me ask you. This your single life. Is it that it doesn't bother you? Or it bothers you but you can't force it?
You just said it. It bothers me. Yeah. I'm worried about it, but I can't force it.
You see, this man's prophecy has come to fulfill it.
Brother, Sharon told me you had problem in your business. What happened?
It's really been a difficult time for me. Very difficult time. I borrowed money from the bank. I used it to import goods. Unfortunately, the ship carrying the goods sank, which means all the goods sank with the ship.
Is it not obvious everything is coming out gradually? But I would have gotten married by now, but how do I go about it? How do I go about it, brother? How can I get married before my elder brother?
I told you before. Yes, I'm your elder brother, but I don't mind. If you find a woman you want to marry, you have my blessings. Go ahead and marry.
Brother, you know it's not possible. You know our tradition. He cannot get married before you. I think it's better we attack that Uncle Matthias before he does another bad thing.
But I did. Enough is enough. See, it's high time we attack that useless Matthias. Can you hear Chanobu? Who is he? What have we done wrong?
Leo, calm down. Calm down. I understand the way you feel, but you have to calm down, right? Yes, I know Uncle Matthias is a dangerous man. He's diabolic, he's into all sorts of things, but believe me, he can't harm us. Okay? I succeeded in retrieving all our lands from him. That's about it. I don't want to discuss that man in our house again. Look at us, look at where we are. We're doing well, okay? I'm very successful. You are doing well in business. We're taking good care of our sister. Forget about Uncle Matthias. He can't harm us. Don't worry about it.
Life is full of mystery. Be careful the things you do. Careful what you do. Life is full of mystery. Be careful the things you do. Cause the nemesis of life is not what you can run away from. Nothing goes for nothing. Something goes for something. The devil cannot give you without taking from you.
Did you see anything from what Buddy they said?
From the look on his face, he wasn't telling us the truth.
What are we going to do about this now?
We need to do something. Especially this marriage issue. Something is behind it.
Yes, and he knows.
I will tell my pastor about it. Because indeed it was no Junior Nana. Junior. If he doesn't want to get married, you know I cannot get married, right? What do you want me to buy for you? Shawarma? You like shawarma, right? Okay. Take care, be a good girl, okay? Coming back soon, yeah? Bye.
The problem I have with my brother today is because he refused to understand that Uncle Matthias is responsible for his condition. And he fails to understand that his goods that is stuck in the sea today was caused by him. And also the sea for not getting married too.
Listen, if you're not ready to marry me, just spit it out. Because I am tired of this whole thing. What is all this?
I'm sorry about the whole thing. I'm sorry. My bad. I didn't mean to waste your time. Yeah. But I promise you one thing. I will fix this situation soon.
Listen, I don't care. It's none of my business. Okay? If you like, fix it. If you like, don't fix it. But by the end of this month, if nothing is done, you know what I can do.
I'm sorry. Like I promised, before the end of the month, I will fix the situation. Okay? Sorry.
I lied to them that my goods got sunk in the sea. How long will I keep lying? How long?
Life is full of mystery. Be careful the things you do. Be careful what you do. Life is full of mystery. Be careful the things you do. Cause the nemesis of life is not what you can run away from. Nothing goes for nothing. Something goes for something.
What do you want? The last time I checked, you're not late. How are you not greeting? State what you want and leave. Tell your brother I'm here to say hey. My brother is not around. But he said he's at home. What is this? I owe you no explanation. I said my brother is not around. So take it and leave. Do not let me push you out. Pious! 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 Do not let that girl inside this house anymore.
Okay.
Okay? Don't lock the gate as she leaves.
No.
Sasha. Sharon.
What is that?
Sharon.
What do you want? Huh? What do you want?
Just I don't know you now for say you be in beside.
You that thing. Yeah.
You love to play too much. Your food is ready.
Ah, good. I'm good.
Stop now. Your food is ready.
I'm going.
Go where now? Where are you going to? Like this? Stop now, let's go. Wait to Jesus. Wait here, Sharon. Now you just say like this. Sharon! Sharon! Oh! Stop this thing now! Hey! Sharon! Sharon!
Like that. Okay. Hospital. Let's take her to hospital. Let's take her to hospital. Okay, hospital. Hospital. Sasha. Sasha.
Got it? Jesus! Where are you now? Okay, please send me the address of that place. I'm coming there right now. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, Jesus.
Honey, what's happened?
Sharon turned me into an imbecile.
Oh my God.
Ah, Jesus.
What are we going to do?
Let me get my car key, please.
Okay.
Hold up.
Alright, I'm with you. What?
Nothing.
I hope with this you guys will not relent again.
How do you mean?
It is obvious your uncle is responsible. Yes.
Philo? Philo? Come. Take her to my room. Take her to my room.
Sasha. Let's go.
I don't go anywhere.
Let's go.
Mama, it's me. Mama, it's me. Mama, it's me. It's me, oh, it's me. It's me. Please go to your room and freshen up, okay? Please, it's me. It's me. It's me. It's me. Okay. Thank you.
Nothing goes for nothing. Something goes for something.
Oh, you know that.
Please.
The devil cannot give you without taking from you. Vanity is vanity. That is what you need to know. You don't have to go to the devil.
Sweetheart, at this point in time, tears is not needed. Since the doctor said it's premature, I suggest you take her to a harbor home. And not this. Where are you going?
I've made arrangements for that already. The person is on his way.
Victor, my fiancé told me something about your uncle. Is that true?
Yes. It's true. It's obvious the things he said are now happening.
So, are you guys going to fold your arms, watching that man's intention unfolding?
Of course not. I have my plans already. This time around, I will not just arrest him. I'll make sure I kill him.
Achema, Omagala, Nchi. Atache, Oidomanuela. Nkatache, Oidomanuela. Atache, Oidomanuela. Ekotu bin, Einyan. Otule pi, ane yenyan. Oidomolegbo. Ide Chamber, you invited me here to do the needful. And as I speak to you, as long as I'm here, she will regain back her health. Here is a herbal leaf. It's called Okpehe. Okpehe no nipi. This herbal will be boiled in the water and she will inhale it and then she will regain back her strength. This is another herbal leaf. It's called anikboi. Pound it in a mortar, then use it and rub her joints. It will free her from pains. Then the last one is called Ikoma. It's very active. Squeeze it and she will drink the water from it and she will be fine. And that's all. Atache ekolohigbonmole. Atache olohigbonmole. Here are all the herbs that she needs to regain herself. I have done the needful and I shall take my leave.
Thank you very much.
Atache!
Thank you very much.
Omega Lanchi.
Let us pray. In Jesus' name. Father, bless this food which we want to receive through Christ our Lord. Amen.
When you look at this food is sweet. Don't you trust me again? Believe me. Why did your dad marry me?
I just pray you'll be a good cook like your mother.
I also.
Doctor?
Mama, I hope you're still remaining.
I trust me. You want food.
Leave my son to eat. That's none of your business.
Me too.
Hey, what? Okay, sorry. Thank you, my dear.
If you finish eating, go and clear that farmland and Papa said you should clear
How
it.
dare you?
Eat food first.
You are talking to your elder brother. You are commanding him. What is wrong with you?
No, I'm just telling you
It's okay. We are
Talk to your
eating.
daughter. My son, thank God that you are alive. Thank God.
Mama, can you imagine? My fellow man chasing me up and down in my own father's house with cutlass.
Oh my dear, thank God you know his cutlass. He's holding cutlass, not a broomstick. My dear.
Mama, you see that cutlass that he's holding? That cutlass cannot do me anything, no. If not that he came unexpectedly and he made me run.
You see, we all run for our dear lives. You see one thing, that man, I'm saying, it's not normal. There's something wrong with that man. Please stay here, don't go out, please. Be cool. That man is not normal. My dear, bring your phone, let's call your sister. If your daddy is safe.
Matthias, come out here! Come out! Come out and challenge me! Enough is enough!
Papa, what's going on? What did you do him?
I didn't do anything to him.
Why would you say you're not going to do him and he's vibrating like that?
He knows what is vibrating him. I didn't do him anything.
But what are we going to do? Okay?
Where is your mother and your brother?
Those ones, they ran, no? They left us behind. Papa said, let's go, please.
Please?
Yes.
Enough is enough! Enough is enough! Come out here! Come out here! Stop! Come out here! Come out here, Matthias! Matthias, come out here! Come out and let me, idiot!
What did your father even do to this man? What did he do to him?
Mama, if you ask me, who will I ask? Yeah, I don't know. But even if that Papa did anything to this guy, we don't want him to start chasing us up and talk with cutlass. Mama, if you leave me out,
you want to confront this guy. Don't go. You want to kill me? You will kill me now. Let this man is not normal. Please, my dear. Be cool.
Somebody coming to my own father's house to come and chase me up and down with
Be cool. The outside. God, help us from this devil. Help us. My son, take it easy. Let this man live. I've never run like this in my entire life. My waist. Jimmy.
Come out here! Useless, wicked man! Come out!
Papa is still vibrating. He's still... Hey.
Stop. It's okay.
Come out here, idiot! Come out here! Useless, wicked Matthias! Come
Call the police now. Call the police now, Bikoni.
Papa, I agree with Mama on this one. I concur with her. You need to call the police before you come back from wherever you went to. Please call police.
Call police for who?
Leonard now.
For ordinary Leonard. Because of this nonsense that he just did here. Eh?
You call it nonsense. But you were the first person that ran away when he came.
Tell him.
Hey, Mama, I have to run now. We all ran. Because he came unexpectedly now. And he came with a machete. See, Mama, if he say he has strength, you should come back with that machete and see if he not pick his teeth.
Son, stop wasting your saliva. I've told you. They won't understand. You are the true son of your father. Eh? Listen, Papa. I will never call any police for anybody. I will not do that. As for them, those people, I will deal with, especially him, I will deal with him. I don't know here. More.
Papa, with everything he displayed here, he meant every bit of his word. Papa, you need to call police, call vigilante, anti-court, call them. Yeah.
Is that all? I will even call the Navy, call war machines, let them come because of that stupid boy.
From Russia, very necessary.
Yes, that is what I will do.
Huh?
Nonsense. Huh? I'm not going to do such things. I will never do any of them.
And come to think of it, why was he here? Why did he come here?
Why did you remember the good question you're supposed to have asked? Why are you saying it's last? That's a nice one. Because I don't know why he was here. I didn't know, except if my children know about it.
But he was calling your name, he was shouting your name.
He was shouting my name?
Yes.
Then I don't know why he came. But I'm telling you, the thing is in my hand. I know how to deal with him. I will deal with him. So calm down. Calm down. As for my son that ran, don't worry. He that fights and runs away lives to fight another day. We shall know we shall see the end.
Please
don't worry.
Help us. Chuku, please help us from this demon that came to this compound today. Help us, Lord.
God
help
will be
us.
helping you.
It's coming, it's coming.
Papa,
You see the lion as
Sanders.
like father, like son.
If he come again.
Like shut up your mouth. You don't know that.
This one is not embedded.
So if bomb is falling, I will just stand because I am DK. I have to hide there, run and then stand firm. That is what lion does. Go and sit down.
Lion.
Welcome, sir. Oh, Philip.
Sir?
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Your food is ready.
What food?
Jollof rice.
Alright, you can serve it. I'll be down shortly.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Where is Sharon?
She's upstairs sleeping.
Sharon! Sharon! Philomena! Where's this girl? Philomena!
Oga!
Come. You said Sharon is in her room.
She did her room.
She's not in her room. I'm just coming from her room. I've checked all the rooms in this house.
She did there.
She is not in her room. I've checked everywhere. Sharon!
Shasha!
Sharon! Sharon! Pius! Pius! Have you seen my sister?
No, she didn't come outside.
She didn't come outside. Sharon!
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 Sharon! Pius, have you been at your duty post all day? Think well, have you been here all day? What is wrong with you? Are you mad?
Sorry, sir.
So after all my warning, you still left this gate open?
Sorry, sir.
You locked it!
Oga?
A very stupid person. Just pray nothing happens to my sister. Can you hear me? Answer me!
Yes, sir.
Pray nothing happens to my sister, else I will skin you alive and bury you in this compound. Monkey, go and get my car keys. Hurry. And you, what are you still doing here? My friend, will you go and look for my sister? Get out!
They were lucky. Before I could get to them, they ran away. Useless people.
You mean you did not get that useless man?
Exactly. But I'll go back there.
Later.
That useless man needs to be erased in our community. Wicked man.
Yes. He needs to be raised so that you people can be free from his evil bondage.
Hello, brother Ide. Good afternoon, sir. What? Are you serious? So where's the gate man? Listen, let that boy pray she's found. If not, I am going to kill that useless gate man. I'm serious. Yes! I'm coming. Don't worry. Yeah. Oh God. My sister is missing.
Oh my goodness. What's the meaning of all this? From this to that, what is going on?
Oh, Jesus.
Is there anything waiting there, Samuel passing?
This light.
Yeah, which side waiting?
This way.
This side?
Yes, sir.
Life is full of mystery. Be careful the things you do. Be careful what you do. Life is full of mystery. Be careful the things you do. Cause the nemesis of life is not what you can run away from. Nothing goes for nothing. Something goes for something. The devil cannot give you without taking from you. Vanity is vanity. That is what you need to know. You don't have to go to the devil just for fame. Life is full of mystery. Be careful the things you do. Be careful what you do. Life is full of mystery. Be careful the things you do. Cause the nemesis of life is not what you can run away from. God's time is the best. You just have to wait. What are you running after? You don't know what is waiting for you. Oh.
What is your duty in this house?
My duty is to take care of the house, open gate and close.
And where were you when my sister left this house?
I was inside.
You was inside. Is inside your duty post?
Sorry, sir.
Huh?
It's okay. You'll be fine.
Sorry, sir.
Oga, please. Please forgive me. It will not happen again. Yeah. Please.
Sheila, keep an eye on her. Okay? Always keep an eye on her. Always keep an eye on her. Keep an eye on her so this kind of thing doesn't happen again. You notice anything, let me know. Make sure she doesn't leave the house.
I don't know black parrots. Black. Let's go no.
Don't mind them now. Don't mind them now. I'll take care of it.
How you cannot do?
Sorry.
No, I can't really do. I'm not my brother. You're only my brother. I can't look at me.
Honey, something is bothering your brother. Obviously, you need to find out what the problem is.
I know. I tried my possible best for him to tell me what the problem is. And I refused.
Could it be that he's thinking about his business?
No. It is not his business. As a matter of fact, nothing happens to his business.
Then what could be the problem?
Can't figure it out. Can't just figure it out.
No matter what it is, it's a big one.
I'm sorry, sir.
What do you want?
I don't finish cooking. Make I bring your food.
Don't worry about me. What about Sharon and she eat?
She no gree make her feed am, but she dey eat.
Are you sure she's eating?
Yes, sir.
You can go.
Oga, you don't dey like this for some days now. I just pray say this thing will affect you.
Thank you for your concern. You can go.
Because definitely something is wrong with him. Something very serious that he doesn't want to tell anybody about it. Sasha. I understand this.
Sasha, you don't worry for your body.
I will.
And they talk they talk poop. You want to kill me here?
I don't want to.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Sasha. Oh, yes. Sorry. Sasha. Oh. Yeah, sorry. Oh, yeah, sorry. Yeah, let's go to your room. You put me inside your room, yeah? Sasha. He's a good guy.
You know what?
She really don't have what.
Okay, take her to the bathroom and clean her up, okay? Sasha. You want to do what? Okay, Philo, take her to the bedroom. Hurry now.
We're going.
Yeah, Mama. You like it? Okay, go now, go.
Is this your? Thank you. Sasha is a good girl. Sasha is a good girl.
Brother, you sent for me.
Yeah, Yes, I did. How are you, Leo?
I'm fine. What about Sharon?
Sharon is fine. I think she's sleeping.
I'm here. Talk to me. What is the problem?
I want to discuss something with you, Leo. But before I start, I want to be sure you handle it like a man.
Okay, I'm all ears. Talk to me.
If anything happens to me today, will you be able to take care of our only sister?
Brother, nothing will happen to you.
Exactly why I said if something happens. I didn't say anything would happen to me.
But how can you be asking me this kind of question?
I told you we have something to discuss.
Yes, you did.
Good. So I need your answer. If you give me the answer, I'll proceed.
But I'm confused. I don't know. Can you stop this joke now? How can you be asking me this kind of question?
I have my reasons, Leo.
You already know the answer. I'll take care of our only sister.
I'm going to die today.
What?
Yes. In a few hours, Leo, I'll be gone. So I want to tell you a story. Before I start, I want you to know that my will is ready. It will be read 3 months after my burial, right before you and Sharon.
Brother, can you just stop this joke? Can you just stop this joke? You're scaring me. What is all this?
I know you're scared, brother. Believe me, you don't have to be. Don't be scared. One thing is certain in life. We are all going to die. That's for sure. Everybody. So it's best you embrace it. Sit back, listen to my story, and learn from it. Make me rich. Give me money. Give me wealth. Make me rich. And I promise I will give you anything you ask for. Even if it is human sacrifice, I will give it. Please, I will give it. I have suffered. I have suffered. Make me rich. Please, make me rich.
Ife dị mma ka a ga-azụta. Onye njọ chọọ ife njọ ka ọ ga-afụlụ. Anọkwa ụzọ na-eje Enugwe. Onye na-achọta ego, ọkwa Enugwe ka ọ ga-eje. Your request has been granted. Your wish. You have sacrificed your manhood. Igara, will make you rich. And you have in turn promised that you come back and you will generously enrich Gara, including the mountain. That is thoughtful of you. Oge erugo! Onye na-achọ ife dị mma, kwa ife dị mma ka ọ ga-afụ. Otu a na-ekwu, onye buru isi njọ ka ọ ga-eburu baa n'ime ọkụ mmụọ. But onye sita from ọkụ mmụọ pụta chọọ ibe n'igwe, agozie ya ụzọ siri ebe a baa n'ime. Speak. Tell Igala what brought you. Because an adage says, what brought the tortoise out of his shell is not ordinary.
I made a promise to Igala that if he gives me money, gives me riches, wealth, I will come back and reward it handsomely. I have come to fulfill my promise.
You are welcome to Igala's shrine. Like you said, you made a promise some time ago that you will come back to show appreciation. Now you are here. Igala will give you more money.
I bow before Igala.
Your sacrificial lamb lives with you. Go home. The first person you see in your compound is your sacrificial lamb.
Thank you. On my way, I called you and asked you where you were. Do you remember?
Hello, brother there. Good afternoon, sir. Yes, I'm at home. Are you coming? Okay, I'll see you tomorrow evening after market. Is that okay? Okay. Thank you, sir. Alright, man. Yeah.
After that, I called Sharon. A couple of times I wanted to be sure she was not at home. You know Sharon. Sharon and her unannounced visits most times. Unfortunately, she was the one at home when I came back. I thought I was going to meet the security man first. Sadly, Sharon was the first person I met. That was it. That was why I returned in anger and I shot the security man.
Was that why Sharon turned to an imbecile?
Yes. She is the chosen one. She is my only sister. I decided to do this because of her. And my younger brother. We suffered so much. We were humiliated. We were insulted because we didn't have money. Because we were poor. Our parents died because we didn't have money to take care of them. Why choose my only sister? Why? Isn't there any other way? Can't I be given another option? Please.
She was chosen from the first day that you saw her. But Igara has decided to give second chance. Henceforth, she will be cursed by Igara until the second option is pronounced, which is after 7 days.
After 7 days, I went back and they gave me the second option.
Igala has decided to pronounce the second option, which is either you or your sister. You have more 7 days to make a decision.
Today is the last day, and I've made up my mind to pay the price. I'm sorry, brother. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I'm sorry I went to the extreme. I couldn't take it anymore. And we were being insulted. We were being humiliated all because we were poor. Our parents died because we had no money to take care of them when they were sick. I had enough. As a man, I said to myself that I had enough. I was ready to take any risk. And I took it. Unfortunately, here we are. Take care of Sharon for me, please. Take good care of her. Once I die, she will regain her sanity.
I don't understand. Take care of Sharon. Brother, nothing will happen to you. Be strong and believe that God is supreme. Nothing will happen to you, brother. Nothing.
Who are you calling?
I'm calling my pastor.
How long will it take him to get here?
Like 30 minutes.
Alright then. I'll be waiting.
Life is full of mystery. Be careful the things you do. Careful what you do. Life is full of mystery. Be careful the things you do. Cause the nemesis of life is not what you can run away from.
Tata shina burekuro muranya. Onwere chale chigidalo bubu walo wagdalo bubu menemene no wuta chiro ma chikwasi ya n'okpurukpu. Oburukwa waya mu no wuta balagide jakori janjani ite bugoka. Ọ na-eme ya n'ukwu ọrụ n'ikwa kwara n'ikwa o.
Great Igala, forgive me for the delay. I was struggling with my decision. But I've made my choice now. Take me instead. Take me in place of my sister. I did this for my sister and my brother. Take me.
Brother! Pastor! Brother! Brother! They talk to me now. Brother, what is... Pastor, pray for him, please. Is there anything you can do? Brother, there! Brother!
This man on the floor is a symbol of a visit from a very deadly deity.
Jesus Christ. Pastor, is there anything you can do? Pray for him.
I'm sorry, he's gone. We've lost him.
Ah! Jesus! No! 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 No!
That is what you need to know. You don't have to go to the devil just for fame.
Life is full of mystery. Be careful the things you do. Be careful what you do. Life is full of mystery. Be careful the things you do. Cause the nemesis of life is not what you can run away from.
God's time is the best. You just have to wait. What are you running after? You don't know what is waiting for you. Oh.